Hey, I'm just heading home. Dublin is so beautiful tonight, even with the rain. Oh God. Oh no. Ouch. That hurts. Come on. Come on! Ah! I can't put any weight on it. Okay. Oh, stay calm, stay calm. Oh, Manuel. No answer. Okay. Ambulances.
Emergency services. Which service do you require? Police, fire, or ambulance?
Ambulance, please. I've had an accident.
Connecting you now. Stay on the line. Ambulance service. What is the address of the emergency?
I'm on Fleet Street, near the bus stop, just outside the Palace Bar. And tell me exactly what happened. I slipped and fell. I think I've broken my ankle. I'm alone and I can't walk.
Okay, Anna, stay calm for me.
Okay, you're doing great. Just keep breathing slowly.
Okay, I'm trying.
Hi, I'm Liam. Let's have a look at that leg.
It hurts.
Can you tell me your name?
I'm Anna. Yes.
Okay, Anna. Where exactly does it hurt?
It's my right ankle. It's throbbing.
All right. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, how would you rate the pain?
Right now? Maybe an 8. It feels like it's on fire.
Okay. It looks quite swollen and bruised.
Do you think it's broken?
We're not sure yet. We'll need an x-ray first. We're gonna put a splint on it and take you to St. James's Hospital. You're doing really well, Anna.
Okay. When English speakers ask, how would you rate the pain? They mean, it feels like it's on fire. It's throbbing. It's swollen.
All right, Anna. We're heading to the hospital now.
Okay,
Are you feeling dizzy at all?
a little, mostly from the pain.
That's understandable. Try to take slow, deep breaths for me, okay?
You're doing really well. Thank you. I've never been in an ambulance before.
Well, let's hope it's your last time too, Kayla.
I was just walking home with coffee, Lambie.
That's usually how these stories start.
Ow.
Sorry about that. Dublin roads aren't helping tonight.
When paramedics say, "Are you feeling dizzy?" they mean, dizzy, deep breaths, you're doing really well.
You're doing really well.
I need to take some details. Full name and date of birth, Anna Carter, 12th of April 1998. And your current address here in Dublin, 45 O'Connell Street, apartment 3. Are you allergic to any medication? Penicillin, aspirin? No allergies. Are you on any regular medication at the moment? No, nothing. Okay. Wait in the green zone. The triage nurse will call you shortly. Thank you. Are you allergic to any medication? Means medication, allergies, regular medication. So please, be prepared to answer these questions for your safety.
Good news, Anna.
Oh?
It's not a fracture. You have a grade 2 sprain.
Oh, thank goodness.
It's still a bad sprain, though. The ligaments are stretched.
So it's not.
Broken. No, my God.
I was so worried.
You need to keep it elevated and stay off your feet for at least a week.
Can I still walk?
Yes, but avoid too much movement.
I actually have a flight in 4 days.
You'll need a medical certificate and maybe a crutch.
Okay.
I'll prescribe some anti-inflammatories for the swelling.
Thank you so much, doctor. Notice, it's not a fracture. Not your leg is destroyed. Text sprain, fracture, swollen. Hi. I've just come from the hospital. I need to pick up my prescription. Of course. Let me take a look. Okay, these are painkillers and anti-inflammatory tablets. Thank you. How often should I take them?
1 tablet 3 times a day after food.
All right, thank you.
And try to stay off your foot for a few days.
I'll try. Here you are. Hope you feel better soon. Thank you so much. Hey. Sorry for calling so late. What? What happened? I'm at the hospital. Oh my God. Are you okay? Yeah. Just a bad sprain. Thank God. But I'm stranded here. Could you possibly pick me up? I can't really manage the bus with these crutches. Of course. Stay right there. I'm leaving now. Really? I'll be there in 15 minutes. You're a lifesaver. I know. Chuckle softly through tears. Even when things go wrong, knowing a little English can change everything.